What's up guys, today is a new video for you, and today I'm going to show you how to convert your Android phone to an iPhone. And the first step is go to Play Store and search iPhone launcher, and this is the app. I already installed it, iPhone 11 launcher. You can see the title, and you have to download this app, and it is only 18 MB and it is 4.4 reviews. And here, turn your Android phone into iPhone 11 Pro and then open the app and wait till it loaded. And here you can select any wallpaper in this, and I'm going to select this wallpaper, and then select get started and allow the all things appear, and okay, enable now, and you have to enable this. Then you have to again enable a thing. You have to click on this iPhone 11 launcher and enable that too, and full screen. This will be your style. We'll put this and then click get started, and it will start. There is the instruction for this. Then control center. If you want to control your brightness and everything, you have to touch on it, and permission requirement, yes. Then allow modify system settings and go back, and you can put the brightness down and up, and you can put the volume also down and up. You can